Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, what we're going to be doing today is replacing the rear wiper blade of the 2013 E12 Nissan Note. Very simple, guys. Extend the arm. There's a little pin right there. Just bend this back. Comes right out. Now to replace it, there is a curved side of the opening of the blade. It has to align with the curved side of the arm. Okay. You have to have it at an angle like this before it'll slip in place like that, and then you just rotate. That's it, guys. Very simple. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys again soon.